Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I found something called Scratch Programming, which is a friendly programming for kids. So today I'll be showing you how to open it and simple ways to draw on it and how to do stuff very simply on it. So let's get started. Here's how you get in. You can go to Google Chrome and it'll take you to the Google Home main page. Then you have to type in the word Scratch. How you'll do that is you're going to click right here. Then you're going to spell it. S-C-R-A-T-C-H. And it'll probably pop up right here. If you find it, you can click on the one that says United on Scratch. Then it'll gonna say, then you have to click on this. It'll say, if it says this, then you can click allow. And then it'll take you to Scratch. As you can see, I already did some project, but this is not the project we're doing today. We're doing a new project. To get a new project, all you have to do is simply click on New Project. I already made a fresh project for us. And then it'll take you into the page. So usually it'll give you a picture of the Scratch is a cat. It'll give you a picture, but I took the Scratch picture out because I didn't like it and we're not going to use that. So what you can do if you're making any video games is you can click on a certain background. You can click on stage 1 background right there. And then you can go here and it'll say backdrops. So then you can click on that. And then you can make your own background. Say I want to do a circle. All I have to do is click the circle. And if I want it to be an empty circle, I just have to click this. If I want to be a full circle, I'll do this. I want to be an empty circle. So I can just click down and spread it out. And I can make an oval, I can make a circle, I can make any size I want. And then if I do that, all I do is click on the side anywhere and it'll just show up in the background. If anything goes wrong and you want to do something, you can either erase it or you can click go back or undo. Or if you mess up the whole entire thing, then if you don't want to do undo, then you can just click clear and it'll erase everything. Which is the same thing as undo, but undo does it step by step. If I do 2 circles, then undo will only erase 1 circle, but if I click clear, it'll erase both circles at the same time. So, now what scripts do we have to do for the basics? So, all the scripts will be separated into sections. This is the event section, so you can do one like green flag is clicked, which is this, and then it'll like start your game or do whatever you want it to do. So you can say, and then you can like click any block here, like looks block. Then you can like say maybe switch to next backdrop. When green flags click, switch to next backdrop. Or you can also make it say if you go out of backdrops, and then you can make a new sprite. You can pick from the library somewhere, which has a ton of stuff. It has like these stuff, and then it has animals, fantasy, letters, people, transportation, castles, cities, dance, and it has all these things. And if you would like, if you can click here and then you can click on all and then it'll give you everything you can do with it. So yeah, so you can click anything and then you can also go to step-by-step projects. So it'll show you how to make it like each step by step. So you can pick anything you want. Say I want this airplane. I'll click the airplane and click OK. But right now we don't need the airplane. Here's a few simple scripts that you can do. First, Start off by getting a character or drawing one. I'm just gonna get a character to make it faster. I'll just do this boy acting like an airplane. And then I'll show it right there. So then what you want to do is, if you want it to, say you want it to move forward, this is what you can do. You can go here to events. Then you can put when space key is pressed. You can drag that in. Then you can go to motion. And then you can say move 10 steps. And then if we shrink this guy so he can go farther, click shrink. Then you can just click on him. So you can shrink him, and then you can drag him anywhere you want. Maybe right here in the sky, and then you can click the space and it'll hold it and it can fly. And then you can drag him back. You can put him anywhere. You can down here. You can put him on the ground like he's walking. And then you can do space. And then he'll just go 10 steps each time, and if you hold it, he'll go unlimited. So that's one script you can do. And the other script you can do is if you want it to talk. Like say you want it to say, "Hi, my name is blank." Then this is what you're gonna do. You can keep this when space is clicked. Then you can click on looks. Then you can drag and say hello for 2 seconds. But then you can change the hello to anything like I'm just gonna do something random, blah 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 blah. So let's say blah 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 blah, whatever that is, for like 2 seconds. Then if you just click space, and then you have to click this, click space, and it'll say blah blah blah. You can make him say anything you want. I just typed in something random. So that's another one you can do. And something else you can do is, instead of using when space is pressed, you can also do when green flag is clicked. Like so for this one, you can go to more blocks. Then you can make a block, and then you can just say like start game. Start. Sorry, I'm a slow typer. So you can click OK, and then it'll say define start game. You don't really need that. You can just put it aside. And then down here it'll give you a block saying start game. You can just put that, and then when green flag is clicked, it'll start the game. And also one thing you have to do is you have to put it for forever. Otherwise it'll just on for 1 second and it'll be off, and then so when you click it, it has to be light green, which means it's on. And then if you want to stop the program, you can click the red stop sign. You have to make sure it's green if it's on. If it's dark green, then it's off. So that's another thing you can do. Another thing is you can delete and duplicate by doing this. Just click the right corner 1 or 2 times. You can click delete and it'll make him not be up here. And then if you want a duplicate of this girl here, all I have to do is click the right arrow, the right corner, and you can click duplicate. And then another will appear. So you can use it in the codes if you need a duplicate of something and if you want to change it. So that's all you have to do. And in the next episode, we're going to start making our own video games using Scratch. So practice all these tips and tricks that I've taught you so you'll be good at it for next time. Bye!